go home, you will access the internet, you will watch Before the Flood. Promise me?
True. Promise.
You also. Promise? Okay.
सर सामने यहाँ भाई यहाँ यहाँ पे सामने सर यहाँ पे सर तो ये क्या पे भाई क्या पे देखिए राइट साइड देखिए राइट इधर भी थैंक यू
I saw Before the Flood. The day it was launched on the internet. It was made accessible to the world by Leonardo DiCaprio and National Geographic, which is, I think, amazing. And I remember thinking to myself, I want every Indian to watch this film. Because, of course, it tells you very simply what climate change is all about and how it impacts the lives of people, especially the poorest of the poor people. But more than that, I think it empowers you with the ability to ask yourself one question. Before you consume anything, before you use anything, whether it's something you're drinking or you're eating or you're wearing or you're using, where is it coming from? Who made it? And where is it going to go? How does this impact the environment? And I think that one question can really change the game. It has for me. I think my ability to just change my life. Because when you think about climate change, it's a very daunting problem. And civil society, citizens like you and me wonder, what can we do? You know, CFL bulb laga diya, but is that enough? Hybrid cars aa jayenge, but will that be enough? And we know that the answers are no, but every action counts. But the biggest actions are talking about it, conveying the message, and seeing what you can do in your everyday life to bring about that change.
Ma'am, do you think it's a high time the public should know the awareness about the pollution?
Absolutely. I keep talking about it. I keep posting on Twitter. I keep saying, why aren't the young people in this country, the youth of this country, going out on the streets and protesting the air pollution? 14 of our cities have been in the red. We've had escalated pollution levels. We're not doing anything about it.
Delhi is among world first.
Delhi, Mumbai, there are many, Patna, there are many cities in the country that are very highly polluted, dangerously polluted. It's killing our elderly people, it's harming our children irreparably. You know, when children are exposed to that quality of air, their lungs get damaged for life. And this is a serious problem, and we don't seem to do anything about it. So we need to ask ourselves why.
Any advice, ma'am, you'd like to give the public?
Get involved, ask questions, get involved.
Ma'am, is it true you're doing a biopic of Manyata?
Yes, but I'm not allowed to talk about that today.
Ma'am, thank you.
But thank you so much for being here. I
you,
really
you.
appreciate it.
It was actually quite scary, but it's fascinating and it's interesting to see how he's created this whole documentary about climate change, and I think we should all definitely become a part of making people more aware about it and doing something about it. It's just frightening.
Ma'am, any advice you'd like to give to the audience?
I don't want to give advice to anybody else, but I know what I'm going to be doing to put my little contribution into it is you have to change your lifestyle. You have to. We don't have a choice anymore.
Ma'am, Big Boss is coming in the last week. Who do you think you're winning?
Big Boss is coming in the last week. All I know is Swami Om is not winning. That I know for sure.
He is elected.
Acha, he's evicted also. That's
Three
excellent.
finalists, Manu, Manveer and Papa. Who going to win, according to you?
The three finalists are who? They've decided already.
Yeah.
That means Bani is not in the running anymore. Manu, Manveer and Lopa. Well, according to me, if Big Boss is playing it smart and they for the first time had a common man join, and then to make the common man happy, they'll make the common man win. So maybe Manu. Um, no, nothing right now. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Ma'am, how was it?
It was amazing, very, very impactful. I think Leonardo DiCaprio and Scorsese and the whole team have done an amazing job. It makes you feel like coming out and doing something to help save the planet. I think what's amazing is the film also showed, apart from showing all the dire situation that the planet is in, it also showed a lot of hope of things that can be done to reverse climate change and to actually make it better. So I hope that everyone does their bit, and I think I'm going to try and start using natural resources as much as possible and not things that burn fossil fuels. And I think it was extremely educative and really impactful.
Ma'am, do you think that people should get aware of the nowadays are going on the awareness about the
Environment, yes. I think awareness is the first step, and then of course action. So I think films like this really help build awareness and hopefully action.
any advice to our audience about the awareness?
I would say that watch the film because it really teaches you a lot, and it also shows us how we can all help in our own little way, and hopefully collective action hopefully can make a difference.
Ma'am, any upcoming project you like to
Yeah, the season 5 of the Tara Sharma show will hopefully be back on Star World in June, touch wood. So I hope you enjoy it. And I've started a new online series on my YouTube channel called Try It with Tara, all about fun, active sports things to do with kids and on as a mom. So do watch all that.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank you.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you.